Bitcoin is one of the top performing investments of the last decade. But why are institutions like BlackRock, one of the world's biggest financial companies, so interested? Today, we're going to find out why BlackRock is suddenly excited about Bitcoin and what this can mean for the future of Bitcoin. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll learn something surprising about Bitcoin's 21 million supply limit and why it might not be as solid as you think. BlackRock first got into Bitcoin in 2022, letting its big clients trade Bitcoin through Coinbase Prime. Soon after, they started a private Bitcoin trust. But here's the interesting part. To understand just how serious BlackRock is about Bitcoin, let's look at one of their biggest moves in the space. BlackRock started studying Bitcoin long before everyone was talking about spot ETFs. They've been quietly buying Bitcoin for years. In fact, BlackRock owns 7.5% of MicroStrategy, which is one of the biggest corporate holders of Bitcoin. This shows how much they believe in Bitcoin's future. So, why are big companies like BlackRock buying Bitcoin? According to the research, Bitcoin is special because it doesn't have the same risks as stocks, bonds, or real estate. For example, it is less affected by banking problems, government debt, and political instability that can impact these traditional assets. In fact, Bitcoin has increased in value by 87,000 times since 2010 and has beaten almost every other major asset in 7 of the last 10 years. BlackRock isn't just interested in Bitcoin because of its great returns. They also see it as protection against global money problems. With rising US debt and economic troubles around the world, BlackRock thinks of Bitcoin as a safe haven asset for money. The report even says that Bitcoin performed well during major global challenges, such as US election issues and geopolitical conflicts. Of course, Bitcoin isn't always easy to hold. Its price can go up and down a lot, which can be scary for investors, especially during big economic events. But BlackRock thinks these sharp drops are temporary and caused by the market being young and people selling quickly. Plus, Bitcoin often recovers faster than other investments like the S&P 500 or gold. BlackRock believes that the long-term trend is still upward. Looking ahead, BlackRock is optimistic about Bitcoin's future, seeing it as a store of value, which is an asset that keeps its value over time without depreciating, or even a global payment system. As more big investors get involved, Bitcoin is changing from being seen as a risky bet to being a smart investment. Also, worries about the US financial system and overall economy make Bitcoin even more attractive for investors looking for stability. Now let's talk about Bitcoin's famous supply limit, 21 million Bitcoin, which is supposed to be set forever, right? Well, not exactly. In a note in BlackRock's report, they mentioned something surprising. There is no guarantee that the current 21 million supply cap for Bitcoin will never be changed. Now, BlackRock could be hinting at plans to fork Bitcoin into what they deem the correct Bitcoin. If BlackRock pushes for a fork, it could lead to a split in the network, creating two competing versions of Bitcoin. Now, it wouldn't be so surprising that BlackRock may be trying to reshape Bitcoin's future to align with their vision, but we all know where the real Bitcoin will be, and it will not be under their control. What do you think? Will Bitcoin's 21 million supply limit ever change? Let me know in the comments below. Join our community, subscribe for more insights, and take your financial future into your own hands. Now more than ever, you need to stay ahead of these large institutions. That's why we've built learningcrypto.com. Head over there to educate yourself with us. We have over a decade of experience in the market, and you'll get access to all of our insights, as well as a lot of free content available on the site.